waterfront
Recording in progress.
365 days of stunning sunset view. A priceless investment that you can afford. Let the waves hit your feet and the sun be your seat at Sands Residences. This is Karen Yu, your trusted international property specialist. Welcome to Sands Residences, a luxurious master planned community in Manila Bay where the sun, sand, and the sea awaits you. Luxury living by the bay with its breathtaking view, Ross Boulevard location puts you in the perfect spot to quickly access key destinations. Own a piece of Ross Boulevard for personal or business use and make it your own property rental business. At Sands Residences, you will truly enjoy living a waterfront home that offers 365 days of stunning sunset view. A priceless investment that you can afford. Let the waves hit your feet and the sun be your seat at Sands Residences. This is Karen Yu, your trusted international property specialist. Welcome to Sands Residences, a luxurious master planned community in Manila Bay where the sun, sand, and the sea awaits you. Luxury living by the bay with its breathtaking view, Ross Boulevard location puts you in the perfect spot to quickly access key destinations. Own a piece of Ross Boulevard. Priceless investment that you can afford. Let the waves hit your feet and the sun be your seat at Sands Residences. This is Karen Yu, your trusted international property specialist. Welcome to Sands Residences, a luxurious master planned community in Manila Bay where the sun, sand, and the sea awaits you. Look in front of NAIA Airport. Cold Residences is a premium residential condo terminal. Get a unit for personal or make it release residences amenities guaranteed fast and check-in factors riser standard. Live the life you built. Wanna go for the gold with SMBC's Gold Residence. Welcome to Sands Residences, a luxurious master planned community in Manila Bay where the sun, sand, and the sea awaits you. Luxury living by the bay with its breathtaking view, Ross Boulevard location puts you in the perfect spot to quickly access key destinations. Own a piece of Ross Boulevard for personal or business use and make it your own property rental business. At Sands Residences. You truly enjoy living a waterfront home that offers 365 days of stunning sunset view. A priceless investment that you can afford. Let the waves hit your feet and the sun be your seat at Sands Residences. This is Karen Yu, your trusted international property specialist.
Hi, I'm Paulette Makiling, International Property Specialist. Do you want to know why we are the fastest growing developer in the Philippines? We call it SMDC 5 Keys to Success Factors. First, prime location. Second, mall integrated. Third, we have a hotel-like lobby. Fourth, a resort-style amenities. And last, we have professional property management. Connect with us. Be with us.
SMDC.
Step into luxury at SMDC.
네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 이민호입니다. 이렇게 SMDC의 모델로 함께 할 수 있게 돼서 굉장히 큰 영광입니다. 사람이 살아가는 데 있어서 자신만의 공간, 집을 갖는 일은 참 중요하다고 생각하는데요. 저 또한 아무리 좋은 장소에 머물러도 어느 순간 집에 가고 싶어지거든요. 나의 집만이 줄 수 있는 그 회복의 힘이 있기 때문이라고 생각합니다. 이렇게 중요한 공간을 결정하는 과정에 제가 여러분들에게 좋은 영향을 드릴 수 있으면 좋겠고요. 만나는 그날까지 늘 건강하시고 행복하세요. 말 꼭 가요.
Hi, I'm Karen Yu, your trusted international property specialist. This is Karen.
Property Specialist. Do you want to know why we are the fastest growing developer in the Philippines? We call it SMDC 5 Keys to Success Factors. First, prime location. Second, mall integrated. Third, we have a hotel-like lobby. Fourth, a resort-styled amenities. And last, we have professional property management. Connect with us. Be with us.
SMDC.
Step into luxury at SMDC.
네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 이민호입니다. 이렇게 SMDC의 모델로 함께 할 수 있게 돼서 굉장히 큰 영광입니다. 사람이 살아가는 데 있어서 자신만의 공간, 집을 갖는 일은 참 중요하다고 생각하는데요. 저 또한 아무리 좋은 장소에 머물러도 어느 순간 집에 가고 싶어지거든요. 나의 집만이 줄 수 있는 그 회복의 힘이 있기 때문이라고 생각합니다. 이렇게 중요한 공간을 결정하는 과정에 제가 여러분들에게 좋은 영향을 드릴 수 있으면 좋겠고요. 만나는 그날까지 늘 건강하시고 행복하세요. 말 꼭 가요.
Hi, I'm Karen Yu, your trusted international property specialist. The best investment for you is in front of NAIA Airport. Gold Residences is a premium residential condominium in front of NAIA Terminal. Get a unit for personal or make it as your own property rental business. For staycations, Airbnb, short-term and long-term lease for small and medium-sized businesses. Gold Residences, prime location and resort-inspired amenities guaranteed fast return of investment, targeting investors, entrepreneurs, travelers, employees, and more. Rise up to a new gold standard. Live a life full of luxury. What are you waiting for? Go for the gold with SMDC's Gold Residences. Welcome to Sands Residences, a luxurious master planned community in Manila Bay where the sun, sand, and the sea awaits you. Luxury living by the bay with its breathtaking view, Ross Boulevard location puts you in the perfect spot to quickly access key destinations. Own a piece of Ross Boulevard for personal or business use and make it your own property rental business. At Sands Residences, you will truly enjoy living a waterfront home that offers 365 days of stunning sunset view. A priceless investment that you can afford. Let the waves hit your feet and the sun be your seat at Sands Residences. This is Karen Yu, your trusted international property specialist.
Hi, I'm Paulette Makiling, International Property Specialist. Do you want to know why we are the fastest growing developer in the Philippines? We call it SMDC 5 Keys to Success Factors. First, prime location. Second, mall integrated. Third, we have a hotel-like lobby. Fourth, a resort-styled amenities. And last, we have professional property management. Connect with us. Be with us.
into luxury at SMDC.
네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 이민호입니다. 이렇게 SMDC의 모델로 함께 할 수 있게 돼서 굉장히 큰 영광입니다. 사람이 살아가는 데 있어서 자신만의 공간, 집을 갖는 일은 참 중요하다고 생각하는데요. 저 또한 아무리 좋은 장소에 머물러도 어느 순간 집에 가고 싶어지거든요. 나의 집만이 줄 수 있는 그
Hello, good evening, everyone. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening, everyone. Good morning kung nasan man po tayo ngayon. So we will start po in 2 minutes. Wait lang po natin yung iba na nag-join pa. Thank you.
SMDC.
Ayan, hello. Naririnig po ba kami?
Sound check po.
Yeah, sound check po muna.
Yes po.
Ayan, thank you so
Loud and clear po.
Ayan, thank you. So, ayan, good morning and good evening to everyone. Good guys, no? Welcome to Team JCM Mid-Year Summer Sales 2024. So, ayan, partner.
So, kamusta po ba lahat? Kamusta po yung weather natin dyan?
Yan.
Pwede po ba natin i-type sa chat box kung nasan po tayo ngayon?
Ayan, para malaman lang natin kung nasan ba tong mga attendees natin dito. Okay, wait lang Yan, so yan, meron siyang taga Dubai. Hello sa mga taga Dubai, UAE. From Dubai, UAE. Oh, madaming taga Dubai. Hello, meron dito ang taga Bulacan. Sobrang init daw dyan ngayon sa Dubai. Uy, meron tayo sa Germany. Hello. And Makati City. Oh, Jumeirah, Dubai. Wow. Meron din dito taga New Zealand, sa Pasay. Uy, ang dami natin. Thank you so much sa
Welcome
pag-attend dito sa ating event. No? Ayan, meron din dito Molino, Bacoor, Alabang, no? Ang daming taga Dubai, UAE. So, hello sa inyong lahat. Good evening and good morning sa inyong lahat, no?
So, meron po tayong, para sa icebreaker, meron po tayong pa trivia question, partner.
Okay. So, ano ba tong ano natin?
So, explain natin yung mechanics kung paano.
Okay, wait lang. Bago po ang lahat, I just want to grab this opportunity to thank everyone sa pag-attend. Alam ko yung iba dito, marami ding nasa Philippines, no? Gabi na dito and sa ibang bansa din, no? Thank you so much sa inyong pag-attend. This is just a quick event, no? Sana mag-enjoy kayo and hope na matuto tayo, no? Magbibigay kami ng mga tips, no? Kung paano tayo kikita pa,
Maging
partner.
successful dito sa
Yes.
business natin.
Yes, and magstay sana tayo hanggang dulo because
Meron tayo pa grand raffle.
yes, pag grand raffle,
Surprise yun. Ano?
yung prize,
Yes,
surprise. Okay.
Para exciting.
Ayan. Hintayin natin ang pag-grand raffle natin, no? So, pero dahil dyan, magsa-start na ang ating first trivia questions. Yan, paki-flash sa screen. Wait lang. Ayan.
Okay. For our first question, who owns SMDC Philippines? A.
Henry C. or C family. B. Gokong Wei family. C. Zobel family. Okay, please paki-comment po sa chat box ng ating...
Okay, so parang may
Letter.
winner na tayo ah.
Okay. Wait lang.
So,
okay.
winner!
Okay, may nakakuha na ng tamang sagot.
IMP Sir Ricardo, TagDJ.
Ayan, congratulations, sir. Ikaw ay nanalo ng... Later, ipapakita ko ang ating prizes. So, for the second question po, i-ano lang natin, nare-request po ng ating director. So, ang pagsagot po is letter plus the answer. So, for example, the answer is A, Henry C. So, ang sagot dapat natin is A, Henry C. or C family. Okay? So, for the next question.
Next question, please.
What is the first SMDC project in Mall of Asia? This is in Pasay po So, okay, paki-flash na po ang ating answers. For letter A, we have Shell Residences.
B. Shore Residences.
And C, we have C Residences. Okay,
In 3, 2, 1, type.
Okay. Nakita ko na, partner, kung sino ang panalo. No? Asa na siya? Wait lang. Okay, see? Congratulations po kay Miss Sheila Duran. No, so, ayan. Ay, wait lang. Ayan, congratulations.
Okay, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung panalo nyo later, pero huwag kayong mag-alala guys. Meron pa tayong last question. So,
Okay, for our last question. Blank is the affordable housing arm of SMDC.
Yan. Housing arm of SMDC. For letter A, we have Lumina Homes.
B, HSDC, Summer Hills Home Development Corp.
Or C, Amaya Land. So, yan.
3, 2, 1. Type your answer.
Okay, nabubulol tayo dito. Okay, nakita ko na. Ang winner ay si... Wait lang po.
Mga dalawa lang. Ayaw.
Ito, dito. Sa nauna. Okay. Okay, ang winner is si Miss Charlene Geroche. Ayan, congratulations! Congratulations po sa mga nanalo. Ayan.
So, ano bang napanalunan
Kung
nila?
ano.
Siyempre, ang tumataginting na.
Charan! Ayo! From SMDC!
Dahil nangiginis ko.
Congratulations!
Ano ba sural mo? Papakita ko sa inyo lahat. Parang ako nag-online selling dito. May pabag pa yan, ganyan. Tapos, ayan, i-open natin para makita nila kung gano'ng kaganda.
Ang ganda naman ng payong na yan.
Diba?
Family size! Tayo!
Yeah, congratulations sa mga winner! And marami kami mga susunod na prizes, no? So, stay tuned!
Inilang asubin na dadarong ko nila.
Yan.
Ayaw na tapos.
Okay, so bago ang lahat,
Mag-opening
mag-opening prayer po muna tayo. So, may we call in Manager Gina for the opening prayer? The floor is yours.
Tugang news dyan. Makuha si nilang
Sound check muna po ako. Ma'am Paulette, Miss Casey, okay naman po.
Message kasi istarang karating sa mga kasi.
Naririnig naman po ako ng lahat. Ma'am Paulette, okay naman po yung sounds ko? Okay naman?
Yes po, okay pa.
Okay.
Manager Chrissy, are you there?
Yes po, okay naman po. So, good evening everyone. So let us put ourselves into the presence of the Lord. Father God, heavenly, in the name of Jesus, with the power of the Holy Spirit, Lord God, salamat po sa mga oras na ito. Kasama ko po ang aking mga kapatid na nasa kabilang screen upang manalangin sa inyo na kami ay inyong gabayan sa aming event ngayon. Sabi mo nga, Panginoon, sa Matthew 21 verse 22, ano man hingin namin sa aming panalangin ay tatanggapin namin kung maniniwala kami. Kaya Panginoon, sa gabing ito, hinihiling ko Panginoon na naway makatulong sa bawat isa sa amin ang aming tatalakayin at matutunan namin ito. Bigyan mo nawa kami ng talino, husay at tiyaga upang magampanan namin ang aming mga trabaho at patuloy na makatulong sa aming kapwa. Bless our team JCMO, Lord, especially ang aming sales director na si Boss Jazz Makiling, upang kami matuloy niyang magabayan. All of this we pray in the name of Jesus. Amen. Amen.
Ayan. So, ayan, naririnig ba ulit tayo? Naririnig ba ulit tayo, guys?
Thank you, Manager Crazy, for your wonderful prayer. So, good evening once again. So, at this juncture, we would like to formally introduce the composition of your JCM team. For your JCM property managers, we have So for your first, we have Manager Paulette. Say hi, Manager.
Hello! Hi! Hi, I'm property manager Paulette.
Next, we have Manager Karen. Say hi.
Hi everyone. Hi. Sorry. Okay.
And of course, we have Manager Regina Clarin.
Ayan. Nasa Ayan, nasa Dubai sila ngayon.
And Manager Lani.
Ayan. Ayan, so sila po is naka-base sa Dubai. So kami po is lahat nasa international team. Pumupunta-punta po kami sa iba't ibang bansa. We go to Dubai, Japan. For Ate Karen, she go to New Zealand, Europe, no? So, ayan. So, if ever meron tayong mga clients dyan, mga friends, no? Merong mag-a-assist sa inyo, no? Kahit nasaan pa man sila. Diba?
And of course, yours truly, Manager Crisel.
Ayan. Si Manager Crisel. Ayan.
Okay. So, and now for the person behind our team, our very supportive leader. She's been in the business for 11 years
Uy, ang
na.
ganun partner.
Yes. So she has seen it all and knows the right way to do this business. So with this person as our leader, there is a guarantee that we can be successful in this business. So as long as we follow her lead. This person is no other than Boss Josh Makiling.
Hello everyone, good evening and thank you for joining us tonight. No, hopefully marami kayong matutunan and then let's go for the business. This is all free. We will support you all the way through the presentation, through the availability, and hopefully magkaroon tayo ng successful business journey. Thank you everyone and stay tuned to our next topic.
Ayan. Hello again. Kunin ko na ulit ang floor. Ayan. Hi everyone! So, ayan, nandito ako ngayon. Si Manager Paulette para magbigay sa inyo ng quick update sa ating mga projects. So, ayan, paki-share screen ulit, no? Hindi yun yung nasa-share screen mo. Wait lang po. Ayan, visible na po ba? Ayan. Ayan, visible naman po ba sa atin? Okay. So, ayan, this is our SMDC and SHDC project map. This is as of January 2024. Actually, nakita na po ito ng iba sa inyo. And ito rin po yung sinisend namin sa ating mga partners, no? So, kung makikita nyo dyan, ayan lang yung kailangan natin para malaman natin kung may mga projects pa tayo dyan sa mga areas na yan. So, we have Interlac. In Metro Manila, meron tayo 3 sa Pampanga. Sa Metro Manila, kalat-kalat po ito So we have total of 50 projects dito sa Metro Manila. For Bulacan, Cainta, Cavite, meron din tayo dyan in Laguna. Batangas, we have 3 projects then and that is mga house and lot. For Iloilo, meron din tayo Bacolod, Cagayan de Oro, and Davao. So, hindi natin siya ma-memorize lahat because that is a total of 75 project, I think. So, ayan. So, meron din tayo mga house and lots, mga condominium mostly, and of course, meron na rin tayong mga lots. No, that is located in Bacolod na. So ayan. Yan. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung top 5 projects natin. No? So, this is from Team JCM only from January to June 2024. For the top 5, we have Light 2 Residences. This is located in EDSA Corner, Madison Street in Barangay Barangka, Ilaya, Mandaluyong City. So, for sure, familiar naman lahat sa EDSA. This is along EDSA, nasa northbound. Sa may MRT Boni Station. So, connected tayo dyan, no? So, imagine having a unit there, no? Kaya hindi nakapagkakailang nasa top 5 siya. Kasi, kung meron kang unit dyan, pagbaba mo ng unit mo, meron ka ng 2 level floors, meron ka pang connecting bridge going to Light Mall, and of course, MRT station, no? Boni Station. So, ang starting monthly lang natin dito is 23,000 per month. So, total contract price for one bedroom with balcony is nasa 6 million. So, 6 million and up. So, ayan siya. Kaya din siya nasa top 5. For the top 4, we have Sunnyvale. So, Sunnyvale is located in Barangay Pugo, Civilio, Santa Ignacia, Tarlac. So, this is house and lot po, no? And our starting monthly amortization dito is nasa 8,000 per month lang. And you can have your own house and lot in total of 1.7 M, no? So, yung sa mga taga-Tarlac dyan sa north, bongga din ang projects natin dito. And for the top 3, ayan. House and lot ulit, no? House and lot. So, this is Sunny Homes. Actually, this is my favorite house and lot din, no? Kasi siguro, taga-south ako. So, this is located in Barangay Banay-Banay, Padre Garcia, Batangas. Our starting monthly amortization here is 11,000 pesos and up per month. So, total contract price is nasa 2.4 million. And meron ka ng house and lot. Imagine, ganyan, gated na siya. May second floor siya, diba? Ang bongga nito. So, hindi din pagkakaila na ang daming bumibili dito. And for the top 2 selling project natin, we have South 2 Residences. This is located in Barangay Almanza 1, SM South Mall, Las Piñas, no? So this is starting ito 11,000 per month then, and a total contract price of 3.7 M for one bedroom with balcony. Sobrang lapit lang nito. Nasa Metro Manila to, located in Las Piñas, no? Stretch. So, ang katabi nito is SM South Mall, diba? So, ang dami din bumibili dito kasi syempre very accessible and convenient. Maraming malapit na schools, hospital, malls, and of course, marami tong mga daanan na malapit, mga main road like Alabang, C5 extension, papuntang Bacoor, pa Manila. So, diba? Kaya hindi din mapagkakaila. And of course, for our top 1, we have Twin Residences. So, Twin Residences is located again in Las Piñas. This is in Barangay Talon 1, Alabang, Zapote Road, no? Las Piñas. So, katabing-katabi nito ang Robinsons Las Piñas, no? Malapit to sa BF Las Piñas, no? So, C5 din, no? And, of course, starting monthly nito is 10,000 per month. So, this is high-rise building and you can have your own studio unit for as low as 4.4 million, no? So, itong mga nabanggit kong mga projects is... Asa na? Sorry. So, ayan. Itong mga nabanggit kong project is, lahat is pre-selling pa, no? So, pre-selling pa, kung mapapadaan kayo, makikita nyo, under construction pa siya. Pero ang dami nating nabebenta dito because of the low monthly amortization and perfect din ang location nila, no? So, sa mga location, we have a lot of advantages, no? Kasi meron tong mga, what do you call this? Appreciation value. Mataas ang appreciation value ng mga location na to. And sa dami ng mga bagong kalsada, mga train system, and mga bypass roads na ginagawa, sobrang magiging accessible na yung mga projects natin na ito. So ngayon I will call on Miss Karen for the next topic. Ayan. So, hello, Miss Karen. The floor is yours.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Miss Paulette. Ayan. So, guys, alam ko nandito tayo dahil nandito yung mga investors natin, andito rin yung ating mga business partners from all over the world. Andito rin yung siyempre yung mga marketing partners natin at yung mga mabutihin nating mga managers. At ito na, ang pinakahihintay natin. Guys, konting-konti lang to. As in, give us a few more minutes of your time. This is just 5 minutes. I will present to you the business opportunity. So, paano ba tayo kumita dito? Yan. So, ano ba yung mga ways to earn? So, sorry, tanggal ko, no? So, please give me 5 minutes of your time. So, I hope you can watch the video, learn from it, then afterwards, we will discuss the most important part.
Okay? So, chill lang tayo.
Do you feel like everyone is getting ahead in their life but not you? Are you worried about what the future holds because you are not financially ready yet? You've been working for years, but have you truly enjoyed life? Think about where you are in life. Maybe you have businesses, but they require so much of your time. Have you ever seen people who got life figured out and wondered, what do these people do for a living? It would be nice if you can talk to them and ask, why do you have so much money? How can you afford to do things you love? How do I make it happen to myself too? It's perfectly okay to ask questions and to seek help. The key is knowing who to ask and where to find answers. No matter where you are, you have the power to choose your future and live a better life. All you need to do is open yourself to opportunities to grow your money. Don't just save your money, invest it and make more. What can I do now to ensure financial freedom in the future? There are several ways to grow your money, and the safest and most proven way is through real estate. Investing in properties can build wealth over time, and you don't need to be a financial expert. This isn't just another business, it's a proven and sustainable way to create a steady cash flow and build your dream future. What real estate investment strategies are guaranteed to build wealth? One strategy is for investing in pre-selling properties. You pay a small down payment, and as the property appreciates, your equity and net worth grow. Another key concept is passive income. Renting out a ready-for-occupancy condo provides steady income to cover mortgage payments and fees while leaving you with profit. With technology, Airbnb, and social media, you can turn a simple property into a lucrative income stream. This income can be reinvested to build more wealth. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your properties are working for you, generating income while you focus on what truly matters. What will be my tool and who will guide me? Invest in strategic rental properties of the largest and biggest developer, SMDC, as your tool. And with the passionate team JCM who will guide you, watch as your dream future unfolds. How do I start and earn? Step 1, real estate investment. Choose your property, make a reservation, and start your journey in investing on your own property. Step 2, be a business or marketing partner, with you sharing the opportunity to your leads on how to achieve financial goals. They invest in a property and start their real estate journey. Some properties generate upfront cash commission amounting to 2,000 to 5,000 pesos, while others start to provide recurring income for you as your investment value increases, thus your compensation. It is very typical to earn 100,000 to 350,000 pesos for every successful lead. Imagine successfully sharing to 4 leads a month, that is 400,000 to 1.4 million pesos monthly. Or 4.8 million or 16.8 million pesos annually. Treat this as your business, a business you can do remotely on your free time and with minimal funds needed. Again, these are the ways to earn in being a partner. Upfront and recurring, earn money through your own leads, and share the business and income opportunities with others. How challenging is it to do this? Starting a real estate investing doesn't require expertise. Just invest, allocate time, be curious, ask questions, and prepare. Your network is your network. Sharing opportunities through messaging, calls, or social media is easy and may provide the support you need. With hard work and focus, you'll be surprised at how much money you can make. You might have questions, but you probably have an idea of your interests. So which of these 3 paths suits you? Path 1, invest now. You want to start your real estate investment now to achieve your dream life. Path 2, share now. You want to begin earning by sharing the opportunity. Path 3, invest now and share now. You want to start earning in your investment and from sharing the opportunity. Which path suits you best? This is how you build a future where you're financially secure and free to enjoy life. Your future self will thank you for starting this journey. Again, hi guys. So nakita nyo ba yung business opportunity natin? So ano namang masasabi nyo? Just a quick feedback from everyone. Nakita nyo ba kung ano bang path ang gusto nyo? Yung path now, which is you invest now. Path 2 is you share now or be a referrer. Or path 3, you can be an investor and at the same time a referrer. So invest now and share now. So sa ngayon, parang isipin nyo, teka, so alam ko na anong kukunin ko. I can get a pre-selling property. I can also get a ready for occupancy property, and especially for those investors natin na meron ng mga ganyang units ngayon. I'm sure you're already thinking how to start earning. So ngayon naman, ang aking i-present ang pinaka-exciting part. Alam ko, dito tayo dahil paano ba, alam natin paano kumita. So paano naman ang commission basis? So I would like to present to you, ang next will be the commission at saka accreditation. At una muna, before we go to the commission, is how to be accredited. Kasi meron din tayong mga newbies dito. Meron tayong mga new sales associates or new marketing partners. And iba naman, they joined here. Sabi nila, how can I be part of your team? So okay, let's discuss the accreditation process. Ayan. Hello everyone. So can you see my screen? Okay. So welcome to Business or Marketing Partners Accreditation Program. And this is good. This is updated as of August 2024. So again, this is the team JCM. We have Boss Jazz and all the managers. And we also have the investors or business or marketing partners. Just to let you know, we have the local marketing partners and also international. So again, the local is based in the Philippines. The international is of course based abroad. So ngayon, for the international or people who are abroad, paano ba ako maging accredited? So all we just need to do is submit the requirements. These requirements are full screen. Okay. These requirements are, hold on. Marketing partner requirements, IMP accreditation form. Second is valid ID, which is the passport. Third, your proof of address, which is your residence ID or driver's license having your international address. So kung nasa Canada ka or Dubai, then your ID should show that you are in Canada or Dubai. So another one is the mode of payment. Mode of payment is how you will receive your commission. So kung gusto nyo ng bank nyo sa international, which is the US bank or Germany bank or anumang banko nyo abroad, then you can use the wire transfer mode of payment. But if you also have your BDO account, then you can use your BDO. Kasi si BDO is also owned by SMDC. Yeah. So for wire transfer, just make sure that we have the updated wire transfer form. And for the BDO mode of payment, ito yon, kailangan natin mag-submit ng certificate of registration from BIR and of course the official receipt which is required or 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 sales invoice ng ating PIN or tax number. Yeah. So again, this is for international. So all our marketing partners not yet accredited, please make sure that you submit this. So for those naman na you think na you are already accredited but baka may pending pa kayo, then please submit the necessary documents. Okay, next naman is for the local brokers or local property associate. Here is the requirements.
So we have the PA accreditation form. PA stands for Property Associate. Then please submit your valid ID. Can be your passport, driver's license, or anything. Pwede yan na TIN number, or PhilHealth, or SSS. And for the mode of payment can be BDO or wire transfer then. But usually, it should be BDO lang. Why? Because it might be that you don't have an international bank account. So for BDO, make sure that we have the certificate of registration and of course our official receipt or sales invoice and your TIN number. Okay, so again, napakadali lang po nito. Just very quick, we have the forms here. Then we have the passport and IDs and the mode of payment. So if you don't have the mode of payment yet ng yung mga forms na yan, even the accreditation form, please reach out to the managers who invited you, and we will be glad to send you the forms that you need to fill out and also the mode of payment na bank transfer form. Okay, so again, accreditation process is very simple. Fill out the forms, you submit the documents to your managers, then you will be given a SAM portal login. So ano ba tong SAM? Si Sam Milby ba to? Hindi po rin yan si Sam Concepcion. SAM is the Seller's Account Management. So sa Seller's Account Management, you can see the commissions. We are very transparent at ito na ang pinaka-exciting part, ang earnings and commissions. So magiging ganito rin tayo, or actually naging ganyan na tayo, na may hawak na mga commissions dyan sa picture. But ano nga ba? Ito na. So please, I need everyone to look at this table. Ito na. Kasi you've known na paano kumita. At ngayon naman, when you refer, paano naman yung commission basis. So again, let me just reiterate na you have the international model. Ano ba yung international model? Again, if you are an international agent and your client is located abroad, the international model commission is for you. Okay? So, but if you are in the Philippines, or we will use the local model, which is you are an international agent, but your client is in the Philippines, or you are a local agent and your client is based abroad or local, then local model commission ang gagamitin natin. So, punta muna tayo sa international model. This is just an example. Okay, so let's say for August 2024, your target sales is 10 million. Binigyan namin kayo ng example dito kasi parang 10 million. Caring-carry ba yan? Caring-carry po yan. Bakit? Isang unit lang yan na short-3. Okay, so let's say your friend na nirefer nyo got a unit na short-3. Automatic, that can be 10 million. And your projected commission for that is 375,000 pesos. Again, tinan nyo po nag-refer lang kayo, and in return, makukuha nyo is 375,000. So, talaga, yes, it's really possible at talagang nangyayari ito. Mamaya, you will learn from the testimonies from other marketing partners on how they are earning. And we can also share our experience with you. So, that will be a prime example. Pag ano naman, if you want, let's say, kunwari, 30 million naman. So, 30 million is equivalent to 10 units ng Zeal. So, your projected commission will be 1.1 million. So, dito pa lang sa example na to, biruin nyo ang projected commissions na nasa 3.7 million na. Okay? In a span of 5 months lang. Is this impossible? No. Again, your network is your net worth. So, the more that you refer and you ask for help from the managers to close the deal with you, then the more commissions that you will have. Yeah, so this is the international model. Again, you are an international agent or you are located abroad, not in the Philippines, and your client is also located abroad. So yun. So, okay, so ayan. Okay, punta naman tayo sa local model. Local model, again, international agent ka, pero yung client mo nasa Pilipinas. So local pa din siya. Or pwedeng nasa Pilipinas ka, pero yung client mo naman or yung ni-refer mo is nasa abroad or local. Then we will still use the local model. So pag local model naman, nakita nyo, medyo mas a little, little difference from the international one, pero you are still entitled to a commission. So let's say for August, then ang naging referral nyo is not based abroad, and also you're also based in the Philippines. Then instead of the 375,000, you get 200,000. Again, 200,000, you just referred. But when you referred, you already got 200,000. Again, with the power of multiplication, come to think of it, 200,000 times 10 na referrals nyo lang, that is equivalent to 2 million pesos agad. Diba? If you have your own business, kunyari nagpatayo ka ng restaurant or any other businesses, kailangan yung magpaluwal ng pera. Here, you don't have to do that. Here is very transparent and you are guaranteed na you will have this commission. So later on, we will discuss one by one kung ano ba yung mga frequently asked questions. But again, this is international model. You also have the local model. And paano ba namin makikita yung commissions na yan? Ano yan? Drawing lang ba yan? Hindi. If you remember earlier, when you submit your documents, you will be given a SAM login. Yung SAM sa seller's portal. Bibigyan kayo ni SMDC ng login. So yung mga iba nating marketing partners dito, very familiar dito kasi lagi nilang chinecheck to. Chinecheck nila, ilan na bang commission ko? Ilan na bang for release ko? So, bigyan natin ng sample. When you log into your SAM portal, makikita mo dito kung ilan na yung binayad ng client nyo, ilan na rin yung basis for commission, at ilan na rin yung pang-release for commissions nyo or pending commissions pa. So, with the power of addition din, we just need to add ilan ba yung mga clients natin dito, ilan din yung commissions for release or na-release na, at ibangga nyo lang yon sa bank account nyo. Ayan. So, for the commission release, here are the frequently asked questions. So, number 1. Ito, kadalasang tinatanong to. So, kailan naman nare-release yung commission ko? Ano ba yan? Yung 375,000 ba? One-time, big time? Siyempre, hindi po. Okay. So, commissions are released by tranche. Ano ba yung by tranche? By bulk po yan, by parts. Depending on the payment method of your client, you accumulate your commissions and start to be released at 5% principal payment. Why? So, syempre po, kailangan, bago i-deposit sa account nyo, maka-start muna tayo ng 5% na principal payment at the same time, by bulk din siya. Para po, ma-feel nyo naman. We highly suggest na we do it by bulk. Bakit? Para ma-feel at makita nyo na biglang dating doon sa bank account nyo, magulat pa kayo. So again, it is best that the payments are by tranche. So you get to see it in bulk. It is also important that you access your SAM portal. So makita nyo kung ano yung for release and ano pa yung which are about to be released. So ang strategy dito is to keep on referring and having close deals, and you will see and feel the fruit of your labor starting 6 months. So yung mga nagmamadali, Karen, gusto ko nang makita yan in 1 month, in 2 months. Yeah, that message to be very transparent with you and be very honest with you. Guys, makikita nyo pa yan starting 6 months. Pero again, ito yung delayed gratification na sinasabi natin. Delayed gratification is better. Bakit? Kasi mas malaki to. At hindi lang yun, pag inad lahat ng commissions nyo, magulat kayo, aabot kayo ng 1 million. Yan. So, next question is, ito kadalasan dito tinatanong, hindi ko pa na-receive yung commission ko, pero nandun na ako sa SAM portal, sabi niya, for release na. So, again, there can be several reasons bakit hindi pa na-release yung commission nyo. Ang pinaka main reason dyan is yung documents na sinabit natin is incomplete. So, we just need to talk to the manager. Oh, Ma'am Paulette, Ma'am Crisel, pwede ko bang i-check yung requirements natin? Baka hindi pa na-release to dahil may pending pa ako. So, just check with your manager for any delays and we have direct access to the commissions team to reach out. At kayo din, bilang accredited ng SMDC, meron kayong access to talk to the commissions team. Email lang sila to verify kung kailan i-deposit ba yung mga commissions nyo or if you have any discrepancy. Yan. So last question is, ito, for the local sales agent, is it mandatory that I provide a sales invoice or official receipt when I use BDO as payment? Yes, it is required for us to submit our own sales invoice or official receipt as a realtor, as a broker, or sales agent. Why? Dahil ni-require ito ng ating Philippine government. So, we just need to talk to your manager para kayo makaroon ng sales invoice or official receipt. Yan. Okay, so, we are also opening the floor. Probably just accommodate 3 more questions from the group. You can chat po sa chat box natin and our host will ask the questions and we will answer it for you. Okay, you can already start posting questions in the chat box. Yan. Sige nga. Ayan.
Hello, ayan.
Okay. Any questions from the group? Meron po bang unclear? Is it clear? Just let us know the feedback or do you think you've understood it? Or pag meron pa kayong additional question, please feel free to message us in the chat box and we will answer it now. We're giving around 5 minutes to have an open Q&A.
Ayan, any questions? Any questions, guys? Ako mismo sasagot ng questions nyo. Okay. Ayan, question po. If may SAM account na akong existing, is it the same ba sa buyer's portal yung login? Okay. From Mr. Lester. So, Mr. Lester, yung SAM po is different po siya. No? Different po yung sa buyer portal and yung sa seller's portal. Magkaiba po siya. Yung sa buyer po, ayun po yung nakikita nyo sa unit nyo. So makikita nyo doon lahat ng mga payments na binayad natin, mga documents na kailangan natin ipasa. And ayun yung sa buyer. Sa seller's portal naman, ang makikita nyo po doon is yung available units natin, available, and of course, yung sa ating commission. Doon natin makikita yung mga commission receivable natin, kung nagbabayad pa ba si client, and kung marireceive na ba natin, for release na ba yung commission natin. Yung kaninang pinakita ni Miss Karen, ayun po yung sa ating portal for seller. So, yeah, mukhang parehas lang siya, pero ayun, makikita nyo po yung difference niya kapag na-browse nyo na po yung ating portal. So, kung hindi pa kayo accredited kay SMDC as seller, ayan, magpa-accredit na po kayo later on pagka kausapin nyo po kung sino yung manager na nag-assist sa inyo para po ma-assist kayo. Ayan, we have second question. Hello po, may sales po ako last time sa ibang group, pero wala ako sa TY. So,
Okay, so to answer that question, kailangan lang po, kung may contact pa kayo sa dati yung manager, kailangan niya lang pong mag-email and request lang ng transfer kung kanino nyo gusto. Like, for example, kay Manager Paulette, kailangan niya pong mag-email lang.
okay.
Tapos, request
Wait
ng
lang.
transfer.
Mag-add lang ako dun sa answer ni Miss Casey. So, kailangan po muna natin i-double check kung naka-accredit po ba talaga tayo as seller. Kasi makikita nyo po doon na accredited kayo kapag nandun po yung pangalan nyo sa SOA, di ba? Sa SOA po ng buyer. So doon niyo po malalaman kapag accredited kayo. So paano malaman? Again, magi-email po tayo kay customer. Ayan, magi-email tayo kay customer service, pero yan, pwede niyo po kaming i-message. I-message niyo po sa amin yung full name niyo para mapacheck po namin sila sa office. Okay. Next question, may client po kasi ako na hindi nagtuloy ng hulog. Paano po yun? Yung commission po ay nasa on release na po. May pag-asa pa po bang makuha yung commission? Yes po. Yes, meron pa pong pag-asa makuha yung commission nyo as long as yung ano po natin, yung nakalagay doon is for release, as long as complete yung requirements natin as seller. And of course, yung yung buyer. Pero syempre, hindi naman po nakakalagay na ilalagay yan na for release kung incomplete po. So, marirelease po yan sa inyo. Ayan. So,
Okay, sige, I'd like to add. Sige, so correct yun. Once na yung client nyo is nagbabayad monthly, then meron kayong portion doon. So, pumupunta yun doon sa for release nyo. So, what happens kapag nag-stop magbayad yung kliyente nyo?
Ngayon, yun po, hindi na po kayo makakuha, joke lang. Pero, hindi na po kayo makakuha. Pero yung mga remaining para nakalagay for release, makukuha nyo pa po yun.
Yes.
Yan. So, anything doon na pag-login nyo, kaya nga napaka-importante sa atin yung SAM portal na yan. Bakit? Very transparent, makikita nyo kung ano yung para sa inyo doon. For release, tapos mangulit na po kayo. Oh, meron akong ganitong amount. For release na pala. Kailan ko makukuha yan? Ayan. So, yun po. So, anything for release, that's meant for you.
Yes. Ano ko lang, i-remind ko lang, if BDO, yung mode of payment natin, ang release ng commission natin is every 10 and 25. If wire transfer naman po, every end of the month. So, mostly, last week ng buwan. Yun po pag naka-wire transfer. So, anyone?
add ko
Ayan.
lang din po na pwede kayong makipag-coordinate sa nag-invite sa inyo para ma-assist po kayo sa mga
Yes.
concerns niyo.
So sa may mga concerns, just message us your full name, tapos kung ano yung concern nyo para po i-address natin yan sa office tomorrow. So, ayun lang, no? So, maybe okay na yun. So,
Q&A natin.
ayan, thank you po, ano. So, let us proceed to the next chapter. For dun sa next ano natin. So, let us all pass the floor sa ating mga taga-Dubai na sellers, Miss Wilgina and Miss Lani. The floor is yours.
Hello, good evening everyone. Good morning. So ayan, good evening po Managers Paulette, Manager Casey, and thank you Manager Karen for the presentation. And I'm so na-excite ako sa mga business partner natin na padating ngayon. So syempre sa mga commissions and million of commissions na pag-uusapan natin sa mga susunod na araw once na nakapagpa-accredit sila. So, ayan. So, hello, Apslani. Kamusta ka naman?
Hello, good morning. Ito, okay naman ako sa alright. Ayan, kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Good morning, everyone.
So, ayan. So, guys, so ngayon, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, kami ay naka-base tulad na nabanggit nila Manager Colette, nandito kami ngayon sa Dubai. And, syempre, gusto ko lang mag-share ng konti bago ko ipakilala yung ating next na speaker. So, siya po ay aking nakilala share ko lang yung story kasi tuwing sinashare ko isa ito sa pinaka-memorable kong saturation dito sa Dubai. So, yung aking next sharer is hindi ko siya kakilala. Namit ko lang siya sa McDonald's kasi syempre, habang ako ay nakaupo sa food court, umiikot yung mata ko. Tapos may nakita akong isang mag-asawa doon na yung pagkain nila is pang 5 tao. Pero syempre, 2 lang yung bangkuan. So sabi ko, check, prospect, may pera sila madam. Sabi ko ganyan. Tapos, second, nakita ko, lumalapit si madam, may dala siyang iPhone. Tapos, nakita ko, check, pwede itong maging investor. So, ayan, tuwing kinagwento ko to, natatawa kasi talaga siya. And then, hindi na rin ako, tulad na nabanggit ni Manager Casey, nagpatumpik-tumpik pa. So, nilapitan ko sila and then inas ko sila if they are ready for the property or for reference lamang. Sabi ko lang sa kanya, ma'am, for reference lang po, baka gusto niyo pong magkaroon ng paupahan sa Pilipinas. And then, syempre, the rest is history. So, syempre, naging natin siyang investor. And then, at the same time, ginawa niya yung itong business natin. Yes. Kaya kasama natin siya ngayon. And syempre, guys, dahil sa sinabi ni Manager Karen na kailangan pag may for-release, makulit na tayo. So, siya po ay napakakulit. Kaya siya po ay naka-receive na rin ng kanyang first commission from SMDC.
Congrats.
So, ayan, without further ado, I would like call on Ma'am Art. Please unmute your mic now.
Alright.
Hello po, ma'am.
Hello.
Hanggang ngayon natatawa pa din ako.
Yours.
Hello po, good evening po.
Ma'am Art, pa-open ang cam mo para
Hello
makita.
po. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Umalis na yung asawa ko, nahiya na. Yung welcome yung po yung welcome sa akin parating, Miss Jeng. At nandito, I am Art Tilly po at yung asawa ko din po. Kami po ay kumuha ng Joy Residence. Investor din po ako. Same as all of you. Then, ni-reach out nga niya ako, kumakain lang naman ako. Pero noon ko pa po nadidinig ang SMDC. Hindi talaga, parang noon pa ako interested. Kaya lang sigurong walang proper time or proper budget nung time na yon. Then suddenly dumating yung angel ko, si Miss Jeng. Nag-open siya sa amin, nagkulitan kami hanggang 1:00 na madaling araw. Then after noon, napakuha niya na kami. Then, diniscuss sa'min kasi yung asawa ko pa talaga ang nagbenta sa'kin. Ang nagkulit na, "O 1:00 na." Sabi, "Hindi ako naglalabas ng pera ng gabi." Tapos sabi niya, 1:00 na hindi na gabi. And then po, yun na nga po. Tapos sinabi nila sa akin, while naman pag-purchase mo kung gusto mo magbenta ka na rin para may pambayad ka sa unit mo. Sabi ko, sige. Tapos compute nila sa akin kung magkano yung commission. Then why not? Makabenta ako ng 4, 5, makakabayad na ako ng down payment ko. Then sa pangungulit ko nga po, after noon nagkaroon na ako ng commission. Nagka-commission na ako for nito lang, July 15. So, talaga pong totoo. Thank you po. Thank you sa mga angels ko na tumulong sa akin, si Ma'am Jeng, si Apslani, katabi pa rin niya, at si Boss Jazz, salamat po. Yun po, 5 minutes lang.
Alright. So, ayan, good morning. Kasi si Ma'am Jeng kanina na good morning sa lahat. So, ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Art, for sharing with us your journey here in
Thank you po.
SMDC. So, ayan, alam ko na maraming na-inspired na mga business partners natin at sa mga soon na magiging business partner natin. So, ayan, congratulations sa ating lahat. And guys, nandito na tayo sa SMDC, so let's do it right. Ayan, so just keep moving and keep sharing the opportunity sa ating mga kababayan. Hindi natin alam kung sino yung pwede nating makausap at matouch din ang buhay nila. Ayan, so syempre dito sa SMDC, totoo, ayan, isa yan si Ma'am Art, nagsasabi na kailangan, sabi niya, makita niya muna yung kanyang komisyon. To see is to believe, eka nga. So ayan, nakita na niya yung komisyon niya. So ayan, go na siya to magbenta ng ating mga properties dito sa SMDC. So ayan, thank you so much, good guys. This is your Manager Property Investment, Lani Palacios, and
Regina Clarin,
all
based
right.
in Dubai.
Okay, let's give it up the stage to Ma'am Paulette and Miss Crisel. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone again. So, 'di ba? Sobrang nakakatuwa naman 'yun yung thank you Miss Art for sharing, no. Nakaka-inspire po ang inyong imagine kung makain lang sa food court. And then, 'di ba? Hindi talaga natin malaman, no. Hindi natin masabi kung nasaan ba talaga ang ating mga clients, no. Kaya guys, kahit saan kayo magpunta, share lang kayo ng share, approach lang kayo ng approach kasi hindi maganda naman ang ino-offer natin sa kanila, no? Hindi yun para sila, no? So, maganda ang ino-offer natin sa kanila. Kaya, dito tayo ngayon.
Grab ng opportunity,
Yes.
partner, all the time.
Yes, partner, 'di ba, guys? Kaya 'di ba? Kayo malay nyo, ang inyong first sale ay katabi nyo lang, o kaya nasa kapitbahay nyo lang pala, kasama nyo pala sa work, no? So, we'll never know. So, ayan, hanggat di natin sila ino-offeran, hindi nila din alam, no? So, ang maganda din doon, i-inform natin ang lahat, no, na we are part of SMDC. Kasi meron ako partner, kakilala, bumili siya sa ibang seller, tapos hindi niya alam na nagbebenta pala ako. Yun. So bakit ka nagbumili dyan? Dapat sa akin na lang, gano'n. So, dahil pala, hindi niya alam na nagtitinda, hindi niya alam na seller ako ni SMDC. So that is very sad.
Actually, hindi lang yun. I-add ko lang. Hindi lang naman dahil sa commission. Ang naano dito is because we get to help other people.
Yes.
Yan. Yung natutulungan natin yung mga kaibigan natin, mga kamag-anak, mga kakilala, na magkaroon ng sarili nilang business, yung rental business, or retirement home, or kahit ano pang gusto nila, yung pangarap nila magkaroon ng bahay. At yung bahay na yun ay dahil galing sa inyo. At natulungan niyo pa sila sa pag-build ng future nila. At the same time, para tayo isang community, we grow together. Yan yun.
And lahat pataas no Kasi 'di ba, imagine property, no? Property is the best investment you can have, no? Pwede pa yan manahin ng mga kaapu-apuhan nyo, no? So bongga. So we're now going to our next, no? Malapit na, guys. No? So, i-recognize lang natin, no? Kasi meron tayong mga seller dito na
Nag-top talaga,
Yes.
nag-perform talaga.
Nag-perform talaga, no? So, itong mga seller na to, merry na talaga ang Christmas nito and to the following years pa. Kasi bongga-bongga na yung mga sales nila, no? So, okay, let's share the screen. No?
So let's
Tawagin natin si
congratulate.
Yan. Let us congratulate Miss Teresa Lourdes Maria Almaquer. Ayan, so congratulations, no? You are from, this seller is from New Zealand. So, top 3 po natin siya for the month of January to June 2024. So, imagine for those, for that 6 months, naka-close siya ng sale for 13.5 million, no? So,
Andiyan niya pa sa online niya
congratulations.
si
So,
Tetel eh.
ayan,
Tel,
so,
are you here?
ayan.
Say hi.
Pwede po ba natin siyang makita, Miss?
Ay po. Madilim po kasi natutulog yung baby. Sorry.
Congratulations po, no?
Congratulations. Say si Tel, kasama ko yan. Nag-mega
Ayan.
bonggang benta kami doon sa mga kaibigan niya.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you.
More sales to come, ma'am.
Ayan, congratulations.
Yes po. Thanks.
2. Let's go for our top 2.
Maria Christine Arumin.
Hi,
Hi, ma'am.
congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations.
This is from Canada with a sales of 18.02 million, no? So, congratulations from Team K. From Team K ulit yan.
Hi,
no?
Ma'am Maria. Are you
from-
there? Please say hi po.
Ayan. Baka
Yes,
nandyan.
we're here.
Congratulations, Sis Maria Christine, no? Bongga-bongga talaga. Imagine 18 million. Congratulations. Dagdagan pa natin to and bongga.
Tin, gusto mo bang i-share bakit anong ginawa nyo? Very quick, like 1 minute.
Number one, syempre, passion. Gusto talaga namin tumulong sa ibang tao na magkaroon din sila ng mga income and then good houses, magkaroon sila ng mga best business nila. So, yun yung number one, syempre, nagdadrive sa amin, passion. Then number two, consistency, saka dapat transparent lang kami sa mga kausap namin.
Well, congratulations again, Miss Christine, no? Ayan, wait lang, nawala.
Thank you. See you soon in Canada.
Ayan, see you soon sa mga...
Thank you.
By this year or next year, no? Makita-kita tayo dyan, no?
Yeah.
So, ayan. So, for our top 1,
Ayan.
Congratulations, Sir Ricardo Tabihe.
yeah, congratulations
From Australia.
Yeah, from Australia. Congratulations po sa inyo with a sale of 22.1 million. From Team Casey po yan, no? Congratulations po sa inyo. Bongga-bongga talaga.
Sir, are you there? Please say hi po. And pwede po ba kayong mag-share kung paano nyo po ginagawa yung business?
Yes. In fact, we're going back to Australia on Wednesday. Pero we're still in the Philippines right now. Pero ang gusto talaga namin is to introduce the Philippines to other people. Ano? Kasi marami kaming countrymen na ayaw nang umuwi. Kasi mahirap na naman yung wala kang sariling bahay. So eventually, this is just the start na para ma-recognize nila yung kagandahan ng Pilipinas when you have your own home. Katulad na lang nung isang friend namin sa USA na she had a hard time when she came home kasi ang hirap talaga yung palipat-lipat ka from one hotel to the other. So kung may sarili kang bahay, you can just throw everything in and then go out. Ganun lang. Yun ang gusto namin mangyari. Tapos ang dyan is, before we came back to the Philippines, meron na kami talagang mga prospects. Marami kami prospects. And talagang malaking tulong sa amin si Crisel kasi gawa ng when she introduced herself to us, she was really transparent. So eventually, she's still helping us with everything. Right now, Crisel, ang laki na ng kinita ko. Meron na akong 20 pesos. Sana No, kasi may kulang pa ako na requirement. Pero once when I finally give in those requirements, sana makuha ko rin agad and makita natin kung ano talaga yun. Then, soon, siguro sana makakuha rin kami ng mga iba pang clients natin sa Australia when we go back. Yun lang. Thanks.
Yeah, diba? Thank you, Sir Ricardo, and congratulations again.
Actually, partner tandem sila ni Ma'am Tita. Yun si Ma'am Tita.
Ayan, hello po, ma'am.
The wife of Sir
Ayan,
Ricardo.
congratulations po sa inyong lahat, no? Sobrang okay na okay talaga. Imagine, magre-refer lang tayo, no? Hanap lang tayo ng prospects. Gayahin natin si Sir Ricardo para makarami rin tayo ng sales. So, ayan. So, yeah, go na. Thanks.
So, for the finale, meron tayong raffle.
Ayan. Wait lang, parang si, ano po ata mo na? Si boss, no? So, ayan, wait lang po. Tayo nasa screen.
Wala yung, nakamute ka.
Na-mute. Mute. Ayan.
Ayan. Ayan, no? So, maybe all welcome our boss. Siya ang head natin, no? Siya ang dahilan kung bakit tayo lahat nandito. The person behind of everything. Okay, let's all welcome Boss Jas Makiling. So, ayan, the floor is yours, boss.
Hi guys, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. No, so I know some of you is based in abroad, no? Itong ating business is worldwide. Open siya to all countries. Meron tayong mga business partners in Germany, in UAE, in Canada, Australia, no? And then marami din tayong business partners here in Philippines. So first, I would like to congratulate all of you and thank you for joining us tonight. At talagang nagstay kayo, no? At least na-share namin sa inyo yung process ng ating negosyo. So this business is madadala niyo siya anywhere. Makakabenta tayo kung nasaan man yung clients natin. No? So hindi tayo mahihirapan because we have the supporting team and we have the managers, Casey, Karen, Wilgina, Lani, and Manager Paulette. So, nade-deploy din po kami sa iba't ibang bansa. Hopefully, marating po namin kung nasan kayo para matap natin yung inyong mga clients. But for now, since we are here in the Philippines, please contact your managers para at least makapag-set po tayo ng Zoom meeting to your clients. Thank you sa inyong lahat and we will support you guys sa lahat ng mga kailangan nyo sa negosyo natin. SMDC has a lot of projects to offer. We have condominiums in different prime location. You can have your rental business. Pwede nyo rin siya gamitin for end use. Let's say for example, since you are based in abroad, yung mga anak nyo na mag-aaral ng kolehiyo, no, after nilang mag-aaral sa iba't ibang bansa, pagdating ng college, most of them is nag-aaral sila dito sa Philippines. So pwede kayong mag-avail ng ready for occupancy para magamit na po ng mga anak nyo or maparentahan na natin agad or kung may spare money kayo every month, pwede po tayong mag-avail ng pre-selling project since very affordable po yung mga ating mga projects and payment terms natin, no? So nakita nyo naman yung mga iba't ibang projects natin kung saan siya located. And hopefully guys, looking forward na magkaroon kayo ng mas maraming benta. Kasi right now, we are here in the SMDC, SM Development Corporation. Ito po yung pinaka-matatag na company, no, na meron tayo. So alam nyo naman po, si SMDC is owned by Mr. Henry C. and the C family. Siya din ang may-ari ng BDO. May mga hotels din tayo to different country. Sa atin din ang mga SM Malls, Alpha Mart, To Go, W Mall. So nakikita nyo po yan. Especially pag nagbabakasyon po kayo sa Philippines. So po kayong pasalamatan at yon, sana po magbenta po tayo ng marami. Huwag po natin sayangin yung opportunity. and your time. Isipin nyo po, lalo na yung mga nakabase sa abroad. Lahat po ng nasa abroad is kumikita ng maayos. Because number one, they sacrifice so much para iwanan yung family nila at pumunta ng iba't ibang bansa para magkaroon ng maraming extra. So isipin nyo po, kung hindi natin sila matutulungan na dalhin or ilagay yung kanilang hard-earned money into a property para makatulong sa kanila pag uwi nila. So for example, yung isang OFW, every month siya nagpapadala sa family niya, no, ng money, support, no? So isipin niyo po, kung siya ay nag-invest ng isang RFO project, kumikita na po yung unit niya. Ngayon, yung padala niya po is doon niya na kinukuha sa mapapaupahan na unit. So meron tayong Airbnb, meron din tayong long term. So mamimili na lang po kayo kung ano yung pinaka-fit para sa negosyo. So property ito, hindi siya mawawala, hindi makukuha ng iba. So ito po yung pinakamagandang investment or ito po yung pinakamaganda na binibili nyo para sa sarili nyo. Kasi hindi lang po siya just to say na I have my own property, but ito po yung makakatulong sa inyo in your future. Ito po yung makakatulong sa inyo in your retirement. Isipin nyo po, hindi po tayo forever na malakas. So kung malakas po tayo kumita ngayon, dapat malakas po tayo mag-invest dito sa SMDC. Para po pag nag-retire na tayo, ma'am, sir, pag uwi nyo po dito, hindi po kayo nag-aalala sa kailangan yung monthly. Because meron tayong inaasahan na rental income. So passive income po ito, lifetime po ito. So ano pa pong inaantay nyo? Congratulations po sa lahat ng ating winners, sa lahat ng ating top performers, at sa lahat po ng umattend tonight, and hopefully ma-share natin to sa lahat ng ating mga kakilala. Huwag po tayo mahiya. Wala pong madali. Lahat po mahirap. Pero mamimili na lang po tayo ng hirap na gusto natin. Maghihirap ba tayo maghanap ngayon, mag-post, or sooner or later maghihirap tayo kasi wala tayong extra income or wala tayong ibang outlet na inaasahan, no? To sustain our lifestyle, no? So para mabigyan natin ng magandang kinabukasan din yung family natin, let's start selling SMDC with Team JCM. Thank you and thank you. So guys, may mga requests ang ating mga members dito or ating mga managers. Can we request to open your camera to have our group picture together? No? Para at least makita natin, magkakasama tayo kahit po sa Zoom or online.
Wait lang. Naka-ano? Hindi, wait lang ha. Yan. Yan.
Yan.
Ikaw na lang ba mag-ano? Ikaw mag-picture. Ayan.
Okay,
Wait lang.
Mga ilang participants ba tayo ngayon? Ang dami
Naka
natin
55 tayo. Naka 55 kanina, yung last ko na nakita. Wait lang ha.
Hopefully po makita po namin kayo for our next, no? So marami kaming i-share sa inyo kung paano tayo kikita, kung paano natin magagamay or mamamaster itong negosyo na to. Guys, again, this is all free. Wala po itong bayad, walang registration fee. Willing po kaming tulungan kayo sa lahat ng inyong pangangailangan. No? So, about SMDC, kung paano kayo bebenta, kung paano po natin malalaman yung mga presentation natin, mga bagong projects, and yung mga updates natin. Don't worry po, just contact your manager para ma-share po sa inyo. Much better po kung kasama po kayo sa GC. At huwag po tayong mahiya dahil hindi po nakakahiya ito. No? Mas maganda pong bumigat ang bulsa natin. Kaya magbenta lang po tayo ng magbenta, mag-offer lang po tayo, mag-post kayo through your social media accounts, kausapin niyo po yung mga friends nyo, kausapin niyo po yung mga family nyo, so start po natin yan.
Ayan, okay na ba?
Game.
Sorry
Ready na?
Yes, can you request to open your camera and keep your big smile?
Ayan, doon tayo titigil, boss.
Alright, so...
Ay, boss, dito tayo pala nakatingin dapat.
Alright. So,
tayo as a game.
Right. 1, 2.
Teka lang po ha.
Ayan. Again.
1, 2, and 3.
Isa pa.
Right.
Isa pa. Okay.
Next page.
Ayan, kasi medyo madami, no?
Madami po, no? Smile lang
Ayan,
po tayo.
smile
Smile lang po tayo.
1, 2.
Right, 1, 2. Hold on. Yan, third page na po. Smile lang po tayo.
Ayan.
Alright, sobrang daming page. Smile lang po tayo.
Ayan, okay, wait lang ha. Isa pa. 1, ayan. 1, 2, 3, smile!
Alright, 6 page na po. Smile lang po tayo.
Ang dami smile na.
Alright, ang dami. Nakakatuwa. Thank you po sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you for
Right.
attending.
Ayan, wag pa kayo alis. Meron pa tayo
Meron pa?
Wag pa kayong aalis kasi
Ayan,
meron pa
video.
tayong finale.
Ayan, so ang pinakahihintay ng lahat. So, we are now here sa pinaka-last part.
Pinaka-last part.
Yeah, pinaka-last part na to, ha, guys, ha. Wait, asa na ba? Patingin mo po kung sino nang nakikita. Ayan! So, ito na yung pinakahihintay ng lahat. No? Ayan.
Okay, sige na.
Gusto natin na-experience.
Yan, so for the
kami. Sa team sana namin ang manalo.
managers, naalala nyo, nung nag-register kayo, sabi natin, you will win prizes. So kanina, congratulations sa mga nanalo sa trivia. Sino nga yun? Si Sir Tabihe. Then the other one, si Miss Charlene. And, I forgot. Pero, sino nga pa yung isa?
Nakalista.
Nakalista, okay. So, ngayon naman, may chance ang everyone, di ba nag-register kayo? Sabi natin, mag-register kayo dun sa link. Bakit? Kasi may chance kayo to win dito sa spin a wheel natin, which is being displayed on your screen, di ba? Okay, so lahat dito, meron tayong 64 entries total. Ito yung mga nag-register, pero dahil I think ngayon sa Zoom natin, I think mga 55 yata tayo. So may mga discrepancy dyan, meaning hindi naka-attend yung iba.
Yes.
Pero yung mga nandito na nag-register at online at active sa Zoom can win a special prize. Boss, ano nga bang papremyo natin?
Just type present.
So just type present, tapos i-call natin yung pangalan, Ma'am Colette.
Yes. So, kailangan, kapag nag-spin na ng wheel and my name na, make sure yung pangalan na yon ay nandito. So, we will need na mag-type tayo ng present sa chat box. And then, isa-spin para malaman natin. Kasi kung wala dito, mag-spin ulit tayo. And ano nga ba ang mapapanalunan natin dito?
Ano to? Pa-hotel ba?
Ayan.
Meron tayong
Free staycation.
Ayan.
For two, ha?
Free staycation for 2 dito sa Shore Residences, no? With swimming pool access yan, no? So, bonggang-bongga. And kayo naman mamimili ng dates.
Correct.
So, depende. So, kung nasa ibang bansa kayo, pag uwi nyo dito, gusto nyo i-gamitin yung staycation nyo or kaya gusto nyo ipagamit sa loved ones nyo dito sa Pilipinas, just let us know. So, siguro simulan na natin, no?
Okay, sino kaya? Mga ilang winners ba dito? Tingnan natin. First muna, di ba? Okay. Ready na ba?
Okay.
Ready na ba kayo, guys?
Ready
Yan,
na
sa
kami.
chat.
Excited na kami.
Yes, we're ready.
Sana team ko yan.
Team Blanc.
Mamaya pa pag nag-stop
Okay,
tayo.
let's start.
Staycation.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Nagsispin, no?
Teka lang.
Hindi naman doon ko nagsispin.
Oo, hindi namin nakikita. Walang spin.
Teka lang. Wait na po.
Okay.
Nakikita niyo ba na nag-screen natin?
Ayan, nakikita nyo na po ang screen? Please.
Yan, okay po.
Ayan, okay, let's go!
Okay, ready na? 1, 2, 3.
Ayan! Okay! Oh my God!
Okay.
Oh my gosh, congratulations! Miss Johnny Celesio, no, congratulations! Yan, pag-type ng present. Magbilang na kami, ha? 5, 4, 3,
Okay, di daw
2, 1. Okay.
Pasensya!
Congratulations!
Congratulations kay Miss Johnny Celesio. Meron kang staycation for 2 here at Shore.
Wow! Amazing!
Congratulations. Pwede i-message mo ako.
Bili, no?
Congratulations, di ba? Saan kayo makakakita nito? Nag-attend lang kayo and then meron nga ng staycation, no? So, credit ka na, ha? Ayan, no? So,
Hindi pa credited si Miss Jo.
credit ka na, Miss John. Okay. And sabi ni Boss, dalawa daw ang winners natin for tonight.
Sige.
Sobrang generous talaga ng boss natin, di ba? Okay, let's go. Let's spin that wheel. Guys, nagsispin ng wheel, baka akala nyo hindi nagsispin. Baka mag- internet nyo, no? Or,
Go! Go! Sa team ko naman sana yan.
Miss Jennifer. Okay. Please type present. Okay, Miss Jennifer. Okay. 5, 4, 2, 1.
Mag-aala kami. May chance.
Chance to other si Jennifer.
May pag-asa
May
pa yung team
Jennifer tayo.
May chance pa yung iba, no?
Sige, okay.
Let's go.
One.
Spin that
Spin
wheel.
that wheel now. Okay.
Round and round.
Oh my gosh.
Uy, sino na siya? Uy, yung mata ko.
So, tech.
Library niya.
Okay. Please go. Okay, Miss Otera. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
Oh my God, no?
Wala. Hindi
na
para
sa
sa inyo. Okay, ayaw palitan lang.
May chance pa tayo.
Spin the wheel now.
Saktan ka lang, Apslan. Huwag ka umasa. Masasaktan ka lang.
Yung team ko lang, hindi ako.
Team ko na yan.
Ayan, oy. Parang naka-stick lang yan sa mga pangalan, ah.
Ska! Oh my God!
Present kapag
Please
hindi
type
ko.
present of my love! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Oh my God! Oh my God! Congratulations, Mr. Mark David Floresca! Okay, thank you.
Mag-join kami.
Let's have one more. Sa amin naman. Sige. One more.
One more
pa daw, oh. Bongga talaga.
Sige. Alisin mo.
Boss.
One more.
Sa Team Dubai naman.
Generous talaga ng ating mga managers. Congratulations.
Ang pangalan ko dyan, ah.
Oh my God.
Ang pangalan ko dyan.
Right.
Ayan na, one more.
Team Dubai na yan. Team Dubai! Go!
Ma'am. Shimpa.
Jonah! Congrats! Nasaan ka naman, Jonah?
Oh!
Jonah, nasa ka na? Yay!
Ayan.
Alright.
Ayan.
Congratulations, guys.
Mutik-mutik ka na.
Ito talaga yung offer namin sa inyo, nabili namin sa inyo para since you are based, most of you guys based in abroad, para at least ma-experience nyo dito sa ating isa sa mga project ni SMDC sa Mall of Asia, Shore One Residences. Just let us know kung kailan kayo available or kung kailan nyo i-claim ang inyong one-day staycation overnight for 2. So with complete access sa ating amenity and the umbrellas kanina for the trivia winners. And before we end this, guys, masayang-masaya kami na nakita namin kayo lahat and hopefully sa susunod, nandyan pa kayo at mas marami pa tayo. But before, may we greet our IMP, one of our IMP in Dubai, Mr. Christopher Angeles. Happy birthday to you! Alright, thank you guys, thank you.
Bye!
Bye, everyone. See you
Please
next
already,
time.
Office Accredit,
Yes, message nyo lang
message
kami,
your
ha?
managers po para sa ating accreditation ng ating business. So, let's meron tayo. Kung sa abroad po, hindi kayo nakakaipon, baka kay SMDC makaipon po kayo.
Yeah.
Yes!
Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po.
Yeah, and I would like to congratulate Ma'am Samira Adam. She is our new investor ng Twin Residences just last night.
Congratulations po. Congratulations. Lagi po tayong may event sa UAE, Abu Dhabi, and Dubai. Please attend po and invite your guests para ma-close tayo ng more deals.
Congrats ko din yung aking investor sa TikTok, si Ma'am Avelin Ambubuyog. So, nag-join din silang mag-asawa ngayong gabi. So, sobrang tuwa ko talaga. So, thank you po, Avelin, Sir Ramil.
Okay, congratulations po and thank you po sa lahat na nag-attend. Maraming salamat. Shout out po sa mga taga-Germany dyan. Thank you po sa pag-attend. Oh, thank you po.
Thank you.
Canada.
Yes, New Zealand.
Yes.
Madaling araw na ngayon sa New Zealand saka sa Australia.
Yes.
So thank you for
Thank you for attending.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you po sa mga team ko ng Dubai na nagsi-attend. Ma'am Chia, Ma'am Raquel, Ma'am Jen, Ma'am Norly.
And congratulations kay Ma'am Sheila Duran. Nanalo ka ng payong! Ma'am Lita, congrats! Nandito ka sa ating live ngayon. Congrats! Thank you so much, guys.
Sir Lester from Doha.
Wow! From Doha?
Sir
Diba?
Lester.
Bongga
So, nandito na
International.
siya. Hi, sir.
Ayan, so sige po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Again, ang dami na natin pa.
Miss Joey. Si Ma'am Joey din po nandito. Ang investor ko ng Live 2.
Huwag ka magtampo, Ma'am Graciel. I love you.
Hey, ina-expect ko yung mga mabibigat mong numbers dyan, no? So, eto na yung simula. Naumpisahan mo na, ituloy na lang natin. Now, Jay, let's focus. Everyone.
Ayan, sa mga taga Brunei, ayan o, dito po ako sa Brunei.
Wow.
Miss Lucy, ayan, hello po sa inyo. To my friend Larry, hello Larry, thank you sa pag-attend.
Ayun, nandito pa si Sir Lester.
Ayan, si Sir
Hello,
Lester.
Sir Lester from Doha, Qatar.
Welcome.
Hopefully, Sir Lester, makapunta kami ng Doha para at least mabisita namin kayo at the same time, magkaroon tayo ng maraming opportunity dyan sa country mo.
Ayan,
Welcome to the team.
Miss Art, sa mga nag-share kanina, maraming thank you po ulit.
Thank you, Ma'am Rain. Ganda. Thank you, Miss Rain. Madaling araw, thank you. Yan.
Parang, ganito pa yung feeling pag medyo artista.
Meron pa ba?
Congratulations. Isulat natin yung mga nanalo.
Guys, we have weekend, open house ng weekend. Baka may mga clients kayo kasi we give special discount, no, sa mga different project. Talk to your manager, talk to your teammates para at least ma-help namin kayo at matulungan din natin sila, no, yung mga investors natin. Tulungan natin sila, guys, ng totoong tulong. We will give the best location, we will give the affordable payment terms na kayang-kaya ng ating mga client, no. So marami tayong projects. Let's push, and then ito na yan, guys, commission, no. Masaya ang commission. Imagine for 5 months until December, you will have your savings or commission like 3 million, 3.2 million for international, and around 2 million for local. Marami tayong projects, house and lot. Baka may naghahanap sa inyo ng house and lot. Marami din tayong condo, pre-selling project na affordable.
Open na rin pala yung project natin sa Vail CDO, Cagayan de Oro, sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro or meron